The StringBean mobile experience has a fresh new look and feel. We listened to our partners doing the work in the field and integrated your insights into a redesigned app built to support your day-to-day operations. We've completely redesigned the mobile interface, making navigation more intuitive. We wanted to give you immediate visibility into what matters most. The updated activity feed puts the right information in front of the right people right when they need it. New filtering capabilities make it easier to instantly find, assign tasks, inspections, exceptions, and open items. A lot of customers asked for a bulletin board feature where they could inform their whole team of an issue outside of the formal workflows. So we created daily notes. With this new feature, you can capture updates, operational details, observations throughout the day, right from your phone or tablet. Notes are easy to share across your organization, keeping shifts, departments, management, vendors, all on the same page. Our new mobile app is ready for your facility management. StringBean Mobile, updated and ready for what your operation demands.